Hey guys, welcome back to 3D Japan. In a previous video we talked about the Sonic Mini. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sonic Mini 4K. Hey guys, there's a new Sonic Mini. No, not this one. This one, the Sonic Mini 4K. Phrozen sent this over to check out, and it's going to be cool. I'm really excited. So let's get it open. My handy dandy knife here. Let's open you up. Be very careful. I don't want to damage anything, because I do have to send this back. I don't get to keep this one. Okay. Alright. Get this box open. Okay, so first thing, I'll show you in the box. We have another box. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. Oops, I'm knocking over models here. Okay, this box has instructions. Nice, good full color images. That's always handy. Toolkit with a USB stick, Allen wrench, or spanner if you will. This looks like a piece of sandpaper and some feet to go on the bottom of it. A couple other little things in there. I have the power brick. This is 100, 240 volt. Uses the US standard, hopefully, or I wouldn't be able to use it. 1.5 amp, output 24 volt, 2 amps. Okay. Set that down. Got a plastic scraper, always handy. Metal scraper, pretty standard. Some gloves and an extra funnel. And now we have our build plate, which I can already see I'm going to enjoy. Get the knife out again. Be careful waving this around. Look at that. This side there. This is a nice big build plate, a little shiny and smooth, but it has these nice tapered edges on here. So any resin that gets on there will just slide right off, just drip off. So that's going to be real nice. Set that aside down there. I'll take the box away. Alright, now, how are we going to get this out? The bag. Okay, well, there's the lid. Oh, an interesting choice, this shade of brown they're going with compared to the orange of the other one. Okay. Here's the actual unit. And there's nothing else in the box. Let's set that down. Styrofoam off. You can get this tape off. that is off. Get it facing the right way. There we go. That is really nice looking. Set this aside here. Okay. Take the vat off, see what's going on inside there. Screws. Okay, that vat is really nice. So, let's do a little comparison here. The original Sonic Mini, it originally came with this plastic vat, which right now has no HitFilm. But this one, a lot of people didn't like it. I thought it was going to be really cool because it's clear, you can see through it. But then it started to crack. And this one cracked right along here and started leaking resin onto the machine. So they replaced it in the newer versions with a metal one, which I don't have handy right now because it's got resin in it. But this one looks actually even better than the resin or the metal one that they gave us with that. And this is really, I love how the sides are sloped. So instead of having one corner to pour from, you can just pour it from anywhere. That's really nice. And it's kind of stylish looking too. So that is cool. So, but still has a similar problem to this one, where it's a little bit difficult to get it onto here. You just have to get it at just the right angle. But so let's put these back on. And stick the build plate on there. And I will have to adjust this because I'm sure it's not ready to go. It's all the way up at the top position. But yeah, so there we go. It's pretty much all there is to it. It's show you the back. There we go. We have the power switch and plug on the back. And we have the USB on the side, basically the same as on the Sonic Mini. Put this top back on. And so we have the same screen in the front, the touch screen. So it's mostly the same unit, but we obviously have a 4K screen on there. And see, I have some notes here. Okay, so it's a 4K monochrome screen, which means it's going to print very fast, but it'll have 4 times the amount of detail in the X and Y that this one does. 722 pixels per inch. Pixels per inch. The print volume is slightly larger than this one. We have a 5.2 by 5.2 by 2.9 inches. I wrote down a little comparison here. This one, 35 micron resolution. This one is 62 micron, or 62.5 microns. This weighs a little bit more, not really a lot. It's 5 kilograms versus 4.3 kilograms. And that's just about it, aside from the price. This one is currently going at $199.99. This one is $329.99. So you pay a little bit more for this one. I'm going to check it out and see if the extra boost in quality is really worth that. Another thing they sent along is some resin. Let's check this out. this side too. If we can figure out how to open the box. Looks like there's tape on here too from the label. There we go. So, we got a nice big bottle of this aqua gray 4K resin. So this is 4K resin. I'm not sure what exactly that means, but I guess it's made specifically for a 4K printer. We'll see how it looks and see if it's any better than a regular resin. Because I've got some regular Ceratec gray. I've got some frozen beige. I've actually got some Ceratec blue that I'll be doing a video on. And we'll give all of those a try and see how they work compared to this one. I'll set you aside. And that's it for our unboxing. So stay tuned. I'm going to give this a good run and see what comes out of it. See you next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I always forget to say that, but those things really help. Please be sure to remember to do them.